Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave, and today we're doing a video on the best vlogging setup for the GoPro Hero action cameras. Now I've got the GoPro Hero 7 here, and I've also got the Hero 6. Now I've already taken the side door off this one, and I've got a video on how to do that, which I'll link down in the description box for you. Now this setup will work just as well for the Hero 5 and also the Hero 6. Now what we use is the Ulanzi vlogging case, which I've also got a video on. Now I've got videos on all these accessories here that you can see, and I'll link all the videos down in the description box. Now for this vlogging setup, we'll use the Ulanzi vlogging case, the GoPro Shorty tripod mount. We've got the Rode Video Micro microphone, and unfortunately you will also need the original GoPro microphone adapter. Okay, this is the only way you can possibly connect an external microphone to the GoPro 5, 6 or 7. Okay, so you will need to buy one of these, and unfortunately they are quite expensive. They're about $70 in Australia. I'm not sure how much they cost in other countries. The listed retail price is actually $79, but you can pick them up a little bit cheaper at times when they're on sale. Okay, so let's put this vlogging setup together, and I will also do a comparison on just using the camera as compared to using the whole vlogging setup. Let's go. Okay, first up we will take the Hero 7, make sure your side door has been taken off, and you slide it into the vlogging case. That's the easy part right there. Now next, you take your microphone adapter, and that's the whole point of the vlogging case. You've got a space there for your microphone adapter. And it takes a little bit of a wriggle, and you get the microphone adapter, and it slides in there, and it stays in there quite firmly, okay? You don't have to force it in. It's a perfect fit, really. It just stays in there. Now, once you've done that, you plug your cable into the side port, like that, okay? You twist it around like that. That's how they recommend that you do it, okay? It keeps pressure on the actual adapter, that it stays in there. It also keeps the cable nice and neat to your side rather than having it stick out further and doing all sorts of weird and wonderful things, okay? This is the neatest way to do it. And you're almost ready to start vlogging. Now you get your Rode video microphone, okay, and I've done an unboxing of this, and I've done a review on this case as well, so, you know, keep checking those videos in the description box. Okay, there's your vlogging case, there's your suspension mount. So now you just attach that to the top there. Okay, it locks in solid. Now that we've arrived at this stage, we attach the microphone to the top of the mount there. Okay, this is the Rode Video microphone, and it's got the dead cat, or as we call it on this channel, the rat, attached to it. And we can now just mount that into its mount at the top here. Okay, there's a little part there that locks into it, and it is that easy. Okay, I like keeping that to the top. As you can see, the dead cat is shaped. It's flatter that way, so we need to have it so that the flat side goes to the bottom and the wide side goes out to the sides. Okay, otherwise you might get some of these bits of fluff in your video. Okay, so you mount it up like that. Okay, you're pretty much ready to go now. We just need to connect the actual cable. So we'll get our cable here, plug that into the back, and plug that into there. Now you get this bit, and you can actually clip that in here to keep this out of the way. Okay, so you can just neaten this up as you like. Okay, that's nice and flat, that's clipped in there, that goes around. You can shape that up a bit to make it look nice and neat. So this is your setup now. Now what I'll be doing in a second is I'll be recording some video outside using this setup of me talking, just some random stuff. And I'll be comparing that to just using the standard GoPro Hero 7 with the same mount with the original case that it come with. Obviously, as you can see, this setup is a lot more compact, okay? You can just fold that up, and I actually just slip this into my pocket a lot of times. So let's go outside and have a bit of a play. Okay, here we are. I'm just walking outside in my backyard, and I'm using the GoPro vlogging setup. So this is using the Ulanzi vlogging case, the GoPro Shorty handle, the original GoPro microphone adapter, and the Rode Video Micro microphone, as we had a look at earlier in this video. So let's see how that works. I've got the sun over there, so I think if I turn around and show you our horse, then the lighting might go a little bit funny. So let's see how we go. There we are. It's also fairly windy at this time, so it'll be interesting to see how well the wind noise reduction of the Rat actually works. Well, it's actually extremely windy at the moment, so that'll be interesting to see. Okay, let's switch it over to just the standard GoPro Hero 7 and see what the difference is. Welcome back, and here we are using just the GoPro and the Shorty handle in the original GoPro case. Now, I'm not sure if you'll notice any difference, and this is about the same amount of wind I had when I was recording with the Rode microphone. There you go. It must be just a little bit gusty. And there's one of our dogs. Anyway, well, hopefully there'll be a difference, otherwise I would have wasted my money. One of the other main things, apart from the wind noise that gets picked up, which you can probably hear right now, is the actual handling. So when you're sort of walking or you're handling the actual mount, like you're changing your grip slightly like I'm doing now, it actually transfers noise into the camera case of the GoPro, which then gets picked up by the GoPro microphone, internal microphone, and then it goes onto your video. So let's just change hands and see what that does to the noise. Let's do it again. Okay, that's just changing hands on the GoPro, whereas when using the external microphone, those sort of things make no difference at all. So let's get back inside. I'll have a look on the computer to see how much difference this vlogging setup actually has made. We're back inside, and here is another look at the vlogging setup while I'm having a quick talk to you. As you just saw in the video, I think this has made a huge difference to the sound quality, and I'm very happy with this outcome and setup. It's just a shame that you have to go to so much trouble to get decent sound from the GoPro. However, the end result is well worth the effort, in my opinion. I'm going to link the videos of all the individual components used in this vlogging setup down below, just so you can have a look at those and make up your own decisions on what parts you would like to order or what accessories you would like to order. If you have any questions in relation to this setup, please leave a comment down below. I generally try and answer all comments left on my videos. If you have enjoyed this video or found it useful, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Mike's Man Cave for more videos. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now. See you in the next one.